Hello. This week I was able to solve a bug concerning the adapter circuit puzzle piece. Now the buttons of those adapter pieces and the preview of the cable object are working, are being displayed how they were intended to be displayed. I also managed to work on the preview items of the bulb in the water hose model. Now the outer layer is semi-transparent and the inner layer has UVs adapted, and also the going through of the water is multiplied with a specific factor compared to the value of the current. I still didn't have the time to work on the look of the regular components, so still the texturing part is still missing. I was searching for a very long time for the bug causing this ammeter to look strange, and I was looking in the code of the ammeter for a long time, and finally I found the bug in the preview building script of this very level. So I had two cards at the very same identical position, and having two cards at the very same position caused this bug. And if I delete those two cards and build a new one, it works well. And oh god, it took quite a lot of time, and this is one of those examples I just wanted to mention. Also, what I managed to update this week is that I now have a better preview of the scene in the Cascade theme, in the Cascade mode, in the Cascade model. However, now you are able to build the scene. Let's say I'm building the scene out of this very example here, and let's say I want to have the grounding level at a very specific point. So I'm taking my item here, I call it at this moment the grounding flag, because I didn't come up with anything better at the moment. So I put this grounding flag, this item, at a specific position of my circuit, and this very position of the circuit will level with the regular scene. I now have the new floor plates, which have something like a offset in time, which will adapt the high automatically to the most lowest position in the current scene. Thanks for watching.